To open it, you gently squeeze this little bluebird logo on the top, and then the lid will come up, and then you can tilt the lid over like this in order to access the container for your seeds. That ought to do it. Put your lid back on. Straighten it up a bit. There you go. Put your logo back down. Squeeze this really gently though. These little perches can go up and down as you want them to be. If you want to put it in a box to present it to someone, you'd want to put these up, of course, so it'll fit in the box. But then make sure they're all down before you feed your birds.